Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Here's another update as I promised. If you've seen this video, it means I did get that electric scooter. I actually have it here with me and I'd like to present it to you. Ta-da! We have here a GoTrax electric scooter. This thing, brand new, costs around $200. I got it for 40 bucks, believe it or not. I would love to show you how I did that. You can easily follow along with me by clicking the link below, joining my Skool community, and you can build this alongside with me. If you just want to hang out here on YouTube, that's cool too. I'm going to post some updates here of my progress. The Skool community that I've built essentially is I want to build one business idea at a time, and one that is producing income. I'll move on to the next business idea so that over time we'll have multiple ways of bringing in some extra income. We all could use that, right? So this is just my journey. I'm building this out. And since I'm building it, I figured let me document it so that if others want to do the same, they can join me as well. So stay tuned for the next update. I'm going to get to work on this electric scooter and I'll be posting over on Skool. See ya.